Welcome to Mona's Trading View for 9th July 2021. Yesterday in my trading report I had mentioned that this is not a market where you can go short. So even I had mentioned that if there was a gap down opening, one needs to buy into the opening with a stop loss at 15,840 and 780 levels. Nifty was trading above 15,850-60 levels up to 11:30 in the morning. Thereafter, there was a sell-off in global markets as the American market futures was down by well over 500 points and the Nasdaq index is down over 200 points. The Nifty crashed heavily. Adding fuel to the fire was the expiry. All the good work over the past week have been negated by this one day's dip. Moreover, fresh short positions have been opened up. So there is no positional trade as of now in both the indices as the stop losses have been triggered today. Going forward, Nifty is still trading in a channel that is sideways between 15,900 and 15,630 on the downside. In between, there is no positional trade. Once it closes below either of the two ends, that is 15,900 on the upside and 15,630 on the downside, positional shorts or longs can be initiated afresh. We are still in a trading range as I had mentioned, but having tested the upper end of the trading range at about 15,900 odd levels, now we may as well go and test the lower end of the range, which is at 15,630 levels. Moving forward, we can expect the market to go down further if there is any upside bounce towards 15,780 800 levels. It can be utilized to sell into the market for an initial target of 15,680 and then at 15,630. If markets close below 15,630, in that case, positional shorts can be left open. Moving on to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also came down with good volumes today, thereby all positional long positions have been exited. 35,800, as I have been mentioning time and again, is proving to be a big hurdle for Bank Nifty. On the lower side, 34,500 is where the next support comes in for Bank Nifty. It is trading in a range of 1,300 points over the past 1 month or so. Again, positional trade can be initiated once either of these two levels are broken, either on the upside or on the downside in Bank Nifty. Unless it is in a range, trading is difficult. Moving on to short-term charts in Bank Nifty, any move towards 35,500 can be utilized to go short for a target of 35,100 and 34,900, 34,700 on the downside, wherein at 34,700, 600 we will come to the lower end of the channel. Moving on to derivatives data, Nifty ended lower by 152 points to close at 15,727. Fresh shorts were opened up in trade today. Nifty ended lower by 1% and open interest going up by massive 12%. Nifty PCR is at 1. Put writing was seen at 15,500 and at 15,700 levels. Call buildup was seen at 15,800. Bank Nifty ended lower by 497 points to close at 35,274. Fresh shorts were opened up as Bank Nifty fell 1.4% and open interest moving up by 9%. Bank Nifty PCR is at 0.85. Fresh shorts were opened up by FIIs in trade today. Their net sold contracts were 2,938 crores with fresh contracts of 18,957 added. Market breadth was negative. VIX increased to 13.56, a massive 11%. A look at FII activity for 8 July 2021. A look at the Nifty open interest for 15 July expiry.